When I saw this product, I was like, back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Today I am going to be unboxing November's Boxycharm box. If you enjoy watching beauty videos like Boxycharm unboxings, lip swatches, and all that kind of good stuff, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. So if you are interested, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. But let's just get into the fun stuff and let's start unboxing this Boxycharm. So it looks like this month's theme is Gold Digger. So here is the pamphlet that you get. If you don't know what Boxycharm is, it is about a $21 subscription box you get each month, and it includes 5 full-sized beauty products. So yeah, and each month has a theme. So this month is Gold Digger. If you're looking at me and you're thinking that something is missing, that's because you're right. My eyes do not have mascara or eyeshadow, and that is because of something that we're gonna get in this month's box. Pulling out the first item, I see the Lashaholic Luxury Eyelashes. Costs $14.99. So that is cool that you get it in this box. It says that these are vegan falsies, so that's cool, and it's made from premium silk fibers, which gives your lashes a dimension, natural looking length, and volume. If you like using fake eyelashes, that is awesome. This is definitely a fun thing to get in the box. Personally, I have actually never used fake eyelashes before. I feel like I would like to, but it kind of scares me, the idea of putting like glue. But I mean, I know people do it, and I'm definitely pretty interested in trying it out. Moving on to the next item, you get this brush set right here. So it came in this little bag right here. This is the Luxie Luminous Eye Set. So it says, add a little sparkle to your brush collection with this limited edition Boxycharm collaboration. So you get 4 synthetic eye brushes exclusively wrapped for Boxycharm. Purchase these on their own, these are $21, and I think that these are really cool to get in a Boxycharm box, just because I don't tend to go out and buy brushes specifically for eyeshadow looks, so I think it's really cool to be able to get a variety of different eye brushes, and they also feel super soft. Box is this Jonteblu glittering star eyeliner. I don't know if I said that right. This retails for $5. This looks like a typical black eyeliner, except for it looks like it actually has glitter. Yes, now that I'm swatching it, there's little specks of silver. Alright, so this next item is pretty exciting. It is the Cover FX glitter drops in the shade Nova. So these are originally $44. I think that this is a really cool product to get in a Boxycharm box, because that is already over the price that you pay for the box. So this is definitely really cool. Product in a variety of different ways. You can use it alone, or you can use it under or over your makeup, or you can mix it into your foundation or moisturizer. So I'm actually going to try and use this for a highlighter. I know it's kind of a dark color for that compared to my skin tone, but I'm just going to try to go for it. I'm just going to use a very, very, very small amount. Definitely a really cool product to get in a Boxycharm box. The last item in the box is the Ace Beaute Grandoise palette, and so this looks like it is an eyeshadow palette. So this retails for $24.99, and it says that there are 4 shimmer shades and 4 bold mattes. These eyeshadows were carefully milled and pressed to deliver intense pigmentation and easy blending. So I am definitely going to try this out for you today. So let's just jump into the whole demo using these products. So I'm just going to tap into Beaute. I probably pronounced that completely wrong, but please forgive me. So I'm using Beaute for my crease shade. This might not be dark enough. It might be better for just creating an even base. So actually I'm gonna change my mind and I'm just going to use it for a base. Now I'm actually going to dip into this orange shade right here, which is called Clove, and I'm going to try to use this for my transition shade. And I feel like this brush is fluffy, but I also feel like it's a little bit dense, so I'm gonna have to be careful applying this for the crease. I feel like it would definitely help to use a fluffier brush. I'm actually going to jump into one of my own brushes. Now I'm going to use this bigger brush from actually another Boxycharm box that I got. I believe it was October's box. So if you're interested in seeing that unboxing, it is available on my channel. I will link it in the description box below. And it does look like these powders do have quite a bit of kick up, which I don't feel like is a huge problem. It doesn't mean that they're not going to blend well. Now I'm going into the shade Cinnamon, and I'm going to use this on the outer corner of the eye just to give the eye look a bit more dimension. I'm just going to go into the shade Myrtle. Take Jasmine, which is this pretty like champagne-y color. I'm going to use this to highlight the brow bones. Lastly, I'm going to take a little bit more of Cinnamon, and I'm going to apply that to my lower lash line. Okay, I'm still going to try out this glitter eyeliner, so I'm going to apply this to my upper lash lines. So I also just went ahead and I curled my eyelashes, and now I'm just going to apply some mascara. I'm using the Benefit Bad Girl Bang Mascara. Alright guys, so that is it for the eye look, and that is also it for the November Boxycharm unboxing. Thanks so much for watching. I hope that it was helpful, and if you are interested in seeing some of my other Boxycharm unboxings, I do have a playlist for those if you are interested. I hope you all have a great rest of your day, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye!